Hi guys and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So for this video, gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising sign na Sagittarius. And this is for October 27 to November 2. Dadaanan yung birthday ko. So kung bago kayo, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. At kung hindi nyo alam yung Sun, Moon at Rising sign nyo, importante kasi siya sa dulo po ng video, meron po tayong link para dito para mapanood nyo. Readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And for private readings and spell works or donations po, you can use the details at the bottom or the thanks button sa baba. Okay, so Sagittarius. So, how are you? We have here is the 8 of Wands. So, ito na nga. Sabi ng 8 of Wands, kalma. Baby, kalma. Stay where you are muna. Andun kasi na ang dami sa inyo parang you feel stagnant. Na parang feeling nyo pag wala kayong iniisip or wala kayong kinakatikot, parang walang sense. Parang if you feel, sorry sa term, parang feeling nyo parang walang worthless kayo or wala kayong kwenta. Pero hindi kasi ganun ang universe. Ito the card is saying kasi, sometimes yung importante din yung tumigil tayo. Not just for rest, pero para maintindihan natin kung nasa na ba talaga tayo. Kaya kung makakapansin kayo ng kalapate, kapag meron silang nasa lapag sila, kapag meron silang nilalapit, di ba tumatalon sila? From time to time, tumitigil sila. Kasi para i-adjust nila yung paningin nila kung tama pa ba yung direction nila at yung papunta sa destination nila. So, yun nga, parang pigeon walk yung pinapagawa sa'yo ng universe. Nasa moment ka na, tigil ka muna. Tsaka naalog na masyado yung pagkatao mo. So, medyo you need to give yourself a chance na medyo kalma-kalma. So, pero what's crossing you? So, we have here is yung 9 of Cups. So, this 9 of Cups, yun nga, yung feeling of na kailangan on the go. Parang, siguro yun kasi yung tinuro ng mundo sa atin Para masabi mo na productive ka, para masabi mo na meron kang ginagawa, may magandang nangyayari, kailangan laging galaw ng galaw. It's not always like that. Actually, ang maganda dito is we need to give yourself the time to literally rest. Andoon na when was the last time ba na nagpaayos ka ng buhok or nagpagupit or yung iba nagpa-foot spa or even ng body massage or simple na lumabas ka para kumain ka ng favorite food mo or bumili ka ng something para sa'yo, nagpapasaya sa'yo na hindi naman ganun kagastos. When was the last time? Kailan ba? So, you need to have that pigeon walk na talaga. Andoon na huwag mong hayaan na idiktahan ka ng mga standards ng mundo na dapat ganto, dapat ganyan, kasi ganto, kasi ganyan. Yes, there is a standard para sa mundo, pero ang tanong, ito ba yung akba ba itong standard na to sa'yo? Minsan hindi natin kailangan na gayahin ng gayahin yung sinasabi ng mundo sa atin You need to always listen doon sa inner voice mo. So, yung desire card mo, we have here is the 7 of Cups. Yun na nga, ang dami mo, so many options, so many things to do, dami mong gusto. Pero, yun nga, pipigilan ka din ng universe. Kumbaga, parang healing process ka din Ando na, parang, hindi, kasi walang gagawa nito. Sinong mag-asikaso nito? Sinong magtuturo na? Kalma. Sagittarius, buo sadyang mga bagay na yan. Kasi is either maghihintay sila sa'yo kasi they know that kung magtuturo ka or meron ka nasikaso, they will wait. Kasi alam nila na kailangan mo din ng time para sa sarili mo. Now, this card is also saying na may mga maghahalili sa'yo Ito na yung moment na you need to also create people na hahalili sa'yo. Kung turo mo na. Sabi na, parang sa bata, di ba? Parang habang naghuhugas ka ng pinggan, turuan mo siya paano maglikpit ng laruan instead na ikaw yung gumagawa. Shared responsibility na to. Now, yung foundation mo kasi, yan nga, 8 of Swords. Huwag mo kasi micromanage. And doon na parang, hindi kasi maayos kaya dapat ako na yung gagawa. Kaya nga doon papasok yung point na tuturuan mo eh. You will teach them na parang, kaya yung bata, nalimutan mo ilagay yung toy mong ito doon sa box. Yung nawala sa pwesto yung unan, ayusin mo. It's about coaching then. It's about telling them what to do. Kumbaga andun yung process na habang let them learn and hayaan mo sila matuto, pero habang natututo sila, turuan mo din sila, bigyan mo sila ng gabay along the way. Well, hindi naman kita masisisi in the past, yung Seven of Swords. I'm seeing here na andoon na, ang dami sa inyo na, paano ko ibutin towards? Taas ang expectation nila sa inyo. And not only that, ang taas ng expectation mo sa sarili mo. My dear, not all the time you need to do kung ano yung sinasabi ng iba. Kasi, although yes, maganda naman yun kasi natuto ka pa, parang nag-grow ka in that way din, pero naging rigid naman masyado. Kumbaga, puro linya, wala na yung curves. Remember, andun yung structure nila as a fatherly figure na bagay, energy, pero nawala kasi naman yung importance ng motherly figure. So, you need to jive both, ha? Kasi in the future, na ikaw, we have here the Seven of Pentacles. Alam mo ba't mo, sabi ng universe, na ipasa mo ibang responsibilities mo sa iba, yung ibang task mo. Kasi, paano mo, ito yung tanong universe, paano ka bibigyan ng bago kung madami ka masyadong hawak? Diba? Kumbaga parang mag-hire ka na ng employees mo. You're doing a lot. It's time for you to hire new employees so that you can take on bigger projects. And lahat kayo magiging happy. So, yun na. Okay, this will actually go towards your finances and your property. So, time na medyo give it to other people. Teach them yung loops ng ibang ginagawa mo so that you can take on bigger tasks. Kung nakaka-resonate ka sa reading natin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for future readings na din. Pero for now, tuloy natin yung message sa'yo. Okay, so yung physical environment here, we have here the Ten of Swords. Okay, so minsan to medyo extreme na to sa ibang cases nyo Parang, kasi hindi nga mag-gets, ganyan-ganyan, nahihirapan siya intindihin. Ganito, kung kailangan mo isulat, gumawa ka ng manual para sa kanila, para maintindihan nila, gawin mo. Make it as simple as possible. Ang gawin mong theme is, kung ang magbabasa ba na ito, sabihin natin, walang alam doon sa topic na yon or doon sa responsibility na yun, maiintindihan ba niya? Yun ang maging target mo. And that will also sharpen you Andoon na, meron pa pala, habang ginagawa mo, you will also notice na, pwede pala to, pwede palang mas maganda pala kapag ganito. Ito pala alternative. So, there will be a lot of improvements along the way. Now, in the emotional environment, we have here is your Three of Wands. So, si Three of Wands, literal, ang tagal mo alam mo yung tipong house of travel ka nga, no? Nangangati talaga na lumabas muna. Especially for those who have special people in their lives, pwedeng partner to, pwedeng anak mo, or your best friend mo, or magulang mo na, kung wala lang kayong moment to enjoy, eto na siya. So, kinocall ka ng universe, spend more time with them. Kaya nga, isa-salvage natin yung oras mo na para magkaroon ka ng moment to be with the people who are very important to you. Kasi yun na yung medyo naging kulang mo na din building new memories Medyo, medyo mababa na yung matagal na yung huling memory na ginawa mo with those people. Time to do another beautiful memory with them. Hopes and fears, we have here is the Six of Cups. Alam mo, very soon na to, you're hoping na parang sana magkaroon ulit kami ng moments na magkakasama kami. Kumbaga, hindi naman kailangan na resort, although masaya pag ganon. Pero mga tipong sabay-sabay lang kaming nagde-dinner, habang nagkukwentuhan sa isang mesa. There will be. May parating na ganong moment, you're hoping for that. May parating na ganon moment for you with the people who are very important sa'yo. Very soon naman to. Kasi, in the future we have here para sa'yo is a card of death. Now, huwag tayo matakot kasi this is about Scorpio, pero since reverse siya, so opposition niya is si Taurus, it's just about money. It's about yan na, babalik tayo. Yun na nga kasi nga, kailangan mong gawin yun kasi there will be financial growth along the way. Paano mo matatanggap yung matagal lang gusto ibigay ng universe kung masyado mong magpapakabisi ka doon sa mga bagay na nandyan lang. Hindi mo mabubukas yung kamay mo. Time to pass on, time to end or pass on yung ibang responsibilities na. And also, time na rin para medyo kalma-kalma lang din. Remember your pigeon walk, di ba? So, don't lose focus doon sa targets mo. So, I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So, maraming salamat. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And hope to see you very soon sa mga next videos. And mula po dito sa Baguio City, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye!